Target captured.
All units, security code red. I repeat.
Hello everyone. I present you a new game Drone Attack from a young, small, independent studio Bombshell. Do you want to know what the new Drone Attack game is all about? Even if you don't want to, I'll tell you anyway. Drone Attack. Inimitable action with elements of tactical planning. Ultra-high intensity action will not let you get bored even for a minute. You've never played anything like this before. Do you see the enemy? Pull the trigger and boom! 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 It's awesome! You never get bored of it. This game will blow your mind. Drone Attack. Remember that name. Why do players love the new Drone Attack game? Let's see. Oh! More than 350 beautiful photorealistic locations. What a variety! Wow! Over 250 kinds of photorealistic enemy vehicles. Oh my goodness! There are so many of them. More than 30 kinds of photorealistic explosion animations. What a powerful sound! I can feel all this power in my skin. More than 60 photos of beautiful assistance of your mission. Oh my, so beautiful. Nice graphics and addictive gameplay. The sound design is beyond praise. It's so cool. It's so exciting. Drone Attack. It's so crazy. Insane. Fun. Loud. Download and play for free in the Google Play Market. Only for Android.